In a world where naval supremacy means staying ahead of the game, have you ever wondered how the US Navy maintains its edge against evolving threats? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of naval defense to uncover the Flight III DDG 51 destroyers armed with cutting-edge laser weaponry. Join us as we unravel the fusion of advanced radar systems, the strategic significance of laser tech, and the visionary force driving these war machines into uncharted waters. What's the vision behind these game changers, and how might they revolutionize naval warfare? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of laser tech, let's start with the basics. The Flight III DDG 51 destroyers are the Navy's response to the dynamic demands of 21st century naval warfare. With over 80 destroyers currently in operation, the Navy is on an ambitious mission to add more of these advanced vessels to its fleet. Why the relentless pursuit of these high-tech destroyers? Because the world of naval warfare is evolving fast, demanding speed, adaptability, and cutting-edge capabilities to maintain supremacy. Radar systems serve as the senses of modern naval vessels, providing crucial insights into the surrounding environment. The Flight III DDG 51 destroyers boast the AN/SPY-6 radar system, renowned for its sensitivity, extended range, and multitasking prowess. It can detect objects half the size of previous radar systems while simultaneously identifying and distinguishing multiple targets, granting the Navy a significant advantage in tracking and threat recognition. The secret to its effectiveness lies in gallium nitride technology, making it up to 1,000 times more efficient than its predecessor. This technological leap enables the radar to spot threats twice as far and half the size compared to conventional systems. To tackle modern threats like drone swarms and anti-ship missiles, the Navy introduces Helios, a laser weapon system integrated into the Flight III Arleigh Burke-class destroyer. Helios, crafted by Lockheed Martin, can deliver over 60 kilowatts of directed energy to targets up to 5 miles away. It's a pivotal part of the Navy laser family of systems, with a substantial budget for deployment in 2023. Helios addresses anti-surface warfare and surveillance gaps with remarkable precision and speed. Traditional naval defense systems, relying on surface-to-air missiles and Gatling guns, have their limitations, especially when dealing with cost-effective drones. Helios offers a cost-effective solution with low cost per shot and continuous operational capability using available ship power. It is a formidable defense against swarms of small, unmanned vessels and drones, enhancing target identification capabilities even against fast-moving threats. Seamlessly integrated into the Aegis combat system, Helios is here to stay, and its surveillance capabilities remain confidential. Laser weapons on the Flight III DDG 51 destroyers offer tactical advantages that redefine naval defense. With their light-speed capabilities, lasers enable swift and precise responses to threats, outpacing traditional missiles in lock-on and targeting speed. They minimize collateral damage, ensuring pinpoint accuracy in disabling or destroying a target. Plus, they double as sensors, enhancing situational awareness and contributing valuable data to the networked fleet strategy, perfectly aligning with distributed maritime operations. What's next for the Flight III DDG 51 destroyers? Brace yourself for some exciting news. The US Navy plans to add at least 30 new DDG 51 destroyers to its fleet over the next 15 years, including advanced Flight III warships and Flight II-A destroyers. And it's not just about the newcomers. The Navy is committed to upgrading existing ships, focusing on AN/SPY-6 radar system installations. This commitment reflects the Navy's dedication to staying at the forefront of naval technology, ensuring continued dominance in maritime warfare. Thanks for joining us in exploring Flight III DDG 51 destroyers and their groundbreaking laser tech. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of naval defense in the comments below. Stay curious, and until next time, bye.